Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Paul, and let's get cooking. Hey guys, welcome back. Good to see you again. Last week for Clean and Lean, it's been fantastic 4 weeks. We've done some great recipe for you guys. Now, after this week, it's not that we're not going to do Clean and Lean recipes anymore. We're going to keep doing them. They're going to put them under the banner of Clean and Lean on our channel. So keep sneaking in there, have a look at the new recipe that will come up every couple of weeks. It's been a great journey together with you, Fit Singapore, great fitness institution here for fitness, nutrition, and well-being. They've been absolutely fantastic, and I'm really happy of supporting them through this Clean and Lean process. Guys, today's recipe is one of my special ones. I really love this one. We take zucchinis, we slice them thin, we grill them, and then we're going to roll them in a little stuffing of ricotta cheese, Parmigiano, a bit of paprika, a bit of salt. Then we're going to put them in a tray, top them with a tomato and basil sauce, which we've cooked previously. You can follow the link if you want to learn how to make tomato and basil sauce in the oven, and they come out and they're beautiful to have as a side or next to a piece of fish or a nice piece of grilled chicken. Guys, sit back, enjoy the video. Let me show you how we cook this. Oh boy, guys, that was a lot of fun. Let me tell you, I love those things. Now, if you notice, I've doubled up the recipe in the video just because I like to keep this, you know me, I like to freeze things, keep them aside so we have quick meals during the day, anytime, as we're all sort of pretty much busy and on the run all the time. But it's a beautiful recipe to have, make. Your family love it, kids will love it. Everybody will love them. Put them next to chicken, next to fish, or just serve them on their own. They're absolutely fantastic, guys. Hey, once again, thank you to YouFit for allowing us to do all this great recipe for you guys. Thank you all of you and all the new subscribers. I much appreciate it. Hey, if you like this video, don't forget to give us a like. And at the same time, if you really want to keep seeing us, just subscribe underneath and ring that bell that way. As soon as we post, we'll let you know right away. Once again, thank you for coming, guys. We'll see you next week.